Hey guys, Happy New Year. So I know now is a great time for all of us to start kind of reflecting on the goals that we want this coming year. And a lot of times that comes with eating healthy, making better choices. So I wanted to remind you guys of a couple things that we talked about before, but just a fun New Year's resolution reminder of really cool prep ahead ideas just to help things be ready to go, like ready to grab right out of the fridge. I always like having some prepped produce that's cleaned, ready to go into a salad bowl or into a saute pan. I love having a carb prepped, and I also love having a quick protein grab. So you can whip together a salad or a last minute meal at any time, no matter how busy you are. It's super easy. So I just wanted to do these fun New Year's reminders. So here we go. Having a washed is important for a couple of reasons. First, all the work you've already done, it's clean, it's ready to go. Second, most important, it's easy. You just chop it up, throw it right into a dish. So that's really important. I found that if I don't wash and prep my stuff ahead, I don't use it as easily. So trust, you guys, trust me on this one. If you guys have it washed and prepped and ready, you will use it way easier. So wash and prepped, okay, with a little paper towel. For some of these, I use reusable containers. For some of them, I use plastic baggies, which I always wash and reuse and dry them, and they're all down here. So guys, when you use these, make sure you wash and reuse them because you can reuse them so many times. Okay, so lettuce. So then for on top of my lettuce, I like having prepped things like cucumbers, which you can throw easily onto a salad. I like having prepped sliced celery and carrots. So again, like these kind of produce ready to go. Like literally I can just grab them and throw them into a dish or a saute pan. Again, guys, this prep ahead, so important, and it's a game changer. I also love having a homemade prepped ahead salad dressing. So this is my basic vinaigrette. I've shown you guys this before. I'll reattach the video beneath so you can see it. But this is something I always have in my fridge. I love it, super versatile. And then here is a carb that I usually have prepped. Wild rice or brown rice. So this is a carb I like to have. And here is a quick protein, my perfect yellow hard-boiled eggs, which we've talked about a lot because it's such a great protein. And I'll just pop this into some hot water, and within a minute or two, it's like a fresh hard-boiled egg. I'm gonna make a Reels for you guys, just showing you how easy that is, and it's like a whole fresh egg. It's amazing. So here we go. This is what I have prepped in my fridge, ready to go in a salad. I hope this helped. Happy New Year. Can't wait to see you next time.